Hey everyone, on the Velo channel today I'll show you how to change your email on iPhone. If you're talking about Apple ID, just go to settings, tap your account, scroll down, then tap sign out at the bottom and sign in with the email address you need. Now if you're talking about the mail app itself, you go here, search for email or mail, open it up, and here you simply add an email account, or you can pick from the list and enter whichever one you need. So for example, I'll enter one of mine. Yeah, just for this video. There. Tap next, then enter your password. You can do it through the browser, or it might not even ask if you're already signed in on your device. I'm logging in now. I don't quite remember the password. Well, let's say this one. Nope, must be a different one. Alright, enter the password and tap next. You can choose what you need here and tap next. And then tap save. That's how it's done. This was Velor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.